Hey there, this is a quick tutorial on how to make sure that you never miss a submission with a Google form. So first I'm going to go ahead and jump into my Google Drive. So I am using the Chrome browser, and to get to my Google Drive I can do a couple of things. I can go to my waffle right here and go ahead and choose Google Drive. Another way to get to it is if you go to Google Drive often, your Chrome browser is going to remember it. So you can just type in Drive and hit enter. More than likely it will take you where you need to go as well. So once I'm then into my Google Drive, I'm going to go ahead and grab the Google form that I'm going to use to show you how to turn on the notification rule. So the thing is, you actually have to go into the responses, and so let me go ahead and pull up the form here. Into here, and notice that the form itself is purple, but you're actually looking for your response sheet to the form in order to turn on the notification rule that I'm going to show you. So the response sheet usually has that green icon. So if it's hard to find for you, the easiest way is to go to your original form that you're trying to set the notification rule for. So once you have the form open, it's always a really quick and easy way to get to your responses by choosing your responses here. You can always use your Omni box as well to search your drive if you prefer to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and open up this spreadsheet. That way I know I'm right where I need to do to set up this notification. And all you have to do once you're actually in the response sheet is you're going to set the notification rule. So to do that, you go up to the top here where it says Tools. And if you click on Tools, notice that you're going to have something called Notification Rules. So you would want to go ahead and click on Notification Rules. Then, we'll try it one more time. Notification rules, and for now I'm gonna delete that. Okay, so when you go in, this is what it will look like. You'll go up to Tools, Notification Rules, and these are going to be your options on what you would like for your notifications. So you have the option to get an email anytime any changes are made, or you can just choose anytime a user submits a form. So this first option would be used if you're collaborating on a form with another person so that you'll know if they made any changes to the form itself. And the second option is if a user actually submit your form. So this is the option you're going to want to choose if you want to be notified every time a form is submitted. So if you're using an add-on like Choice Eliminator and you're nervous that maybe 2 time slots might be chosen twice, you could set up this notification just to make sure there were no conflicts in time. Then you also have this option down here below where you can get a daily digest email, or you can get an email right away. So once again, if you're trying to avoid a conflict in time, maybe choose the option to get an email right away. If you're using this more to just kind of remind yourself who has submitted what, then maybe an end of the day daily digest email might be appropriate for you. So for this form that I'm using, I'm actually going to go ahead and put the email right away, because this is a kind of a time sensitive form because people are signing up for hours to meet here. So thank you so much for watching. After you set these notifications, you will then get an email to your account. Just notice that it does notify you at your Horry County GDOT account, so you have to check that email in order to get your notification. There's also a very easy way for you to forward your Gmail account to your school Outlook account so that you don't have to check 2 places if that's something you would like to do. Thank you so much, and email me or ask me if you have any questions.